Hi, this is Dr. Pan recording from Tucson, Arizona. Hope life is treating you well on this beautiful Friday afternoon, and thank you for watching this clip on proportion. We're given a word problem that says Lucy's penny bank is 1/3 full. After she added 440 pennies, then it becomes 5/5 full. We're asked how many pennies can the bank hold. So basically we have two units over here. One is in the units of proportion, and the same bank, I don't know, I couldn't draw a piggy bank, so I'll just use jars for now. This one is the actual pennies. Now the proportion at the beginning is 1/3 full. Now, we don't know how many pennies there is in there. 1/3, it will depend on how big the jar is. Kind of like 1/3 of one cookie or one chocolate cookie is a lot less than 1/3 of 10 identical cookies, even though they're both 1/3. So you got to know what 1/3 of what. Okay, that's what's the important thing. So basically at the beginning, we don't know how many pennies she has in here, but if we add 440 more pennies, pieces over here, the same level becomes 5/6 full. Okay, so if we assume the whole jar has n pennies, the difference between 1/3 of the whole jar and 5/6 of the whole jar is 440. Okay, another way to write it in mathematically, this is probably the reason why I like mathematics. It's so elegant. Instead of writing this whole big long word problem, we have 5/6 of n minus 1/3 of the n. The difference is 440 pennies that she added in. Once again, at the beginning she had a 1/3 full. We don't know how many pennies, we don't really care. But after she added 440, the jar becomes 5/6 full. So basically the difference between 5/6 full and a 1/3 full is 440 pieces. Now from here it's really easy to solve. Let's say we have 5/6n minus 6/2n is equal to 440, which really means 3/6n is equal to 440. If you recognize this is half, because 3/6 is really half, then n is really 880 pieces. Okay, so that's a pretty easy one to solve. I would hope so. Okay, let's take a little quick math break. I always wanted to build one of those. Never really succeeded. So when I saw this picture, I ripped it out of the magazine. I thought I would show you guys. All right, back to math over here. So next time when you have a problem that involves proportion, I probably would help draw a picture like this. You got to make sure the proportion is different from the actual pieces. If you can separate the two, chances are you can see the difference between the two pretty well. All right, I hope that's clear. Once again, from Tucson, Arizona, this is Dr. Pan, making learning math fun, at least trying to. If the video has been helpful, I would appreciate a comment or a thumb up. Until next time, have a confident day.